dessus. Huh? Already start? Yeah. Tomorrow we are going to fucking China. Kazakhstan.
Out of battery.
Oh, better away.
Wait.
Woo! Tight.
Ready to go.
Yeah, finally, let's go.
Okay, let's go finally. We packed everything. So, today we're going to China.
Yeah.
You already been in China?
Yeah, my visa limit is tomorrow.
I have 90 days here in Kazakhstan, but I stayed here because I was I tried to get a license, driver license, but no luck.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to Vietnam through China. I'm a bit sick.
Yeah, that guest house is very comfortable, but every time get sick. Yeah, like head house. Yeah, maybe new type of virus.
It's not because of the guest house.
Yeah, like new COVID.
Wait, is this our stop? Can you check please the map?
Oh, yeah.
Nice backpack. We're getting out of the city. What's going on? We forgot to leave on the previous stop.
But we found a free bus.
Yeah, let's just walk
Yeah.
there. This is the highway.
Yeah.
Let's go. I forgot to introduce you to my YouTube. This is my new friend Hikaru.
Yeah.
Together we're going to Vietnam through China. Hopefully we'll reach Vietnam together. It's mountains. So it will be challenging. We're not exchanging money. You don't have Chinese money?
Yeah.
You don't. You don't. Yeah, me too. I don't even have cash. Probably not having cash is good for China. But I don't have Alipay. I'll put this song on my when I edit my video.
Oh, yeah. New York Dolls. He said he will be bobsleigh players.
What's up, baby?
Ni hao.
At least you have 2 cigarettes though.
Very good, good.
What's going on?
好吗？好。Дрожжево. Один, сука. Harry Potter.
Slav meditation. Vagabond life.
Do it. Хорошо? Очень хорошо? Dynamite crab. Yeah, but this is a Shanghai.
Beautiful. We're feeling sleepy a little bit and still sick, but I'm so tired of being in Almaty. I was waiting for my license, no luck. Now I'm going to get my license in Vietnam to drive a motorcycle. This is a completely punk lifestyle. Hitchhiking is hard for two people. So we're leaving this road for the main highway. It's probably there, and I hope this road leads to the highway, hopefully to Horgos, to the border.
Please come here and please subscribe.
Please unsubscribe. Look at this field. Reminds me of my village. Reminds me of Russia. How are you feeling?
Yeah, fucking tired.
Is this your first time hitchhiking?
Yeah.
So this is what hitchhiking is. It's not hitchhiking. It's
just hiking.
it's just being stupid. My backpack is 7 or 8 kilograms and yours is 20.
15.
15.
Yeah.
Anyway, but your backpack is actually the backpack. Yeah, because I have a bag. It's cheating for carrying more weight. Back to my farm. Are you suffering?
Suffering? Not suffering.
We can camp here, but it's too cold. It's -5 at night, maybe -10. The sun goes down. Maybe you can go this way? Let's check first, maybe someone is standing there. Back to the main road.
farther I traveled, the more I questioned whether leaving everything behind was a mistake. That was one of the reasons why I left. I wanted to create as many contradictions and challenges as possible. Facing them was the way to grow in my 20s.
Finally, this is the highway. Our first car. He advised to stand under this bridge. The road straight to China.
Spade, a crowbar fold.
Ace of spades. She's a teacher of Kazakh language and literature.
Oh, really?
Я говорю, вы наш родственник, говорю, японцы, у нас корни одни.
Have you ever met Kazakh people in Japan?
No.
Он никогда не встречал. Ну, вот они маскируют. This way. We can ask trucker. Initiate a small talk. Это сколько километров? Нас двое, у нас два рюкзака. Eating cookies.
No matter how much I miss home, the home I knew no longer exists. Yeah, sometimes the uncertainty of what lies ahead scares me. But then I remember that my own country wants to kill me and force me to kill other people. They even send me a letter saying I can't leave the country. So sorry, I'm already abroad.
I'm from Japan.
Это Россия, да?
Да.
Это
Япония.
Япония.
Да. Чего тебя?
Как тебя зовут?
Как ты? Хорошо.
I just hope freedom doesn't drive me insane.
Будете до завтра ждать здесь, на остановке?
Да.
Мы попробуем границу. Ну, граница открыта сейчас или всегда открыта?
Это открыт.
Для туристов я имею в виду. Не знаете?
Да. Две таможни есть. Один таможни это машина, грузовая машина.
Да.
И еще один таможни, сейчас, подождите, это такси будет. Там, это шлагбаум.
No, he said we can cross the border with taxi there or hitchhiking.
Такси.
Мы познакомились в Алматы с ним. Я 2 месяца в Алматы был. Georgian is very good. Yeah.
And also, I want to try Georgian wine.
Yeah.
Georgian wine is my grandfather's very favorite. So sometimes I store the grandfather's collections.
You can see anything actually. GoPro is shitty at night.
Yeah. My brother have the same series. But not
Short encounters with drivers became a part of my everyday life. I started finding a sense of home in their cars, in their repeated questions and the small human connections.
Yeah, everything so look like
Look like home.
yeah. Your cockpit home. Like simulations. Home simulations.
Yeah. It is a small house.
Честная игра, пича на приколе. Вот почему не горят фонари. Каждый второй сруб эту с ней на ты. Честным быть как пешком до луны до жар. Коррупция, соточка, десяточка. Это все шестьдесяточка.
Зажигалку возьми.
Им карточка. Заносят там Танюшку. Тебя было неправильно.
Забудь, родная. Пороги мной, пороги счастья. Потеряли путь, что понимала раньше, но не меняет суть. Ты укрыла сердце, я прошу вернуть. Ты дошли до края, и надо развернуть. Ты поменять как хвост, словно Монте-Кристо. Это было просто, но не стало. А ну и пусть любить тебя было неправильно.